The lights were shining, the night was fine, and me was having a real great time. Then me got careless, me don't know how, but me had something me can't find now. Me lost me cookie at the disco. Me lost me cookie in the boogie music. Boogie music.
What? Sir Topham Hatt sat in his office listening to the noise. The station master came in. There's trouble in the shed, sir. Henry is sulking, there's no train, and the passengers are saying this is a bad railway. Indeed, said Sir Topham Hatt, this is a bad railway. Gong gong. Gong gong.
Yucky!
Huh. I wonder what's wrong with him. Ah, no wonder he didn't like him. Not enough red pepper.
What?
He asked.
Water! What?
He asked. Soon came the alarm. James is off the line. The breakdown train, quickly. As he rumbled over the bridge, Thomas jumped. Control was right. James rumbled back.